The Nokia 10 was rumored to be coming out in 2019, as you're reading this in 2021, you can probably tell how that worked out. 2 years on, we haven't seen or heard anything about this mythical device. We've been waiting for a follow-up to the Nokia 9 PureView since its release in early 2019, and as time's gone on, we've slowly been giving the Nokia 9 PureView follow-up was thought to be called the Nokia 9.2, or 9.3, but Nokia 10 was a name we'd also heard, and more recent news makes it seem much more likely that'll be the final release name of the device. While Nokia is typically a mid-range and budget phone champion, it does release the odd flagship from time to time, and that's exactly what we're expecting the Nokia 10 to be, the new best phone from the company. The company's foray into 5G devices with the Nokia 8.3 5G gave us a fine but uninspired device. Hopefully the Nokia 10 will allow the company to show off some cool new camera tech or other top features. If you're a Nokia fan or just interested in all the rumored phones, we've compiled the leaked information below, as well as a wish list for what we want to see in the device. Hope to see this rumored phone. We were expecting the new Nokia flagship to be shown off at MWC 2020, as HMD Global, the company behind current Nokia phones, had a press conference there on February 23, but due to coronavirus fears the keynote speech was cancelled. A long time has passed since then, and rumored release dates came and went. The latest release rumor points to a launch in the first half of 2021, while another fairly recent release date rumor suggests the phone has slipped all the way into the second half of 2021. HMD Global has now announced a launch event for April 8. Could this be the date when we finally get to see what Nokia has been working on for all this time? Note that the phone could launch as the Nokia 10, but as noted we've also heard that we might see the Nokia 9.2 or Nokia 9.3, an improved version of the Nokia 9 PureView that was launched at MWC 2019. The most recent leaks suggest the G10 name could be on the cards too. We possibly could see the Nokia 9.2/9.3 and Nokia 10 or G10 released separately as two different phones, so bear that in mind. Regarding price, the Nokia 9 PureView launched for $699 or $980, and we'd expect a new better phone to cost at least that much, if not more. Saying that, unless it's a huge upgrade on the older phone we wouldn't expect it to cost a whole lot more.